Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing and acting right away. Disconnect the negative battery to prevent shorts and airbag faults because electronics retain charge. Once done, use a panel pry and Torx bit to pop trim and remove visible screws. This exposes the radio cage. Make sure to label fasteners and note where clips sit, so reassembly is simple. Work methodically. Rushing breaks plastic clips, so take seconds to align leverage and pry gently. Then remove the faceplate and keep parts together. Now you focus on the core removal. Unscrew the mounting bolts or press cage tabs, then pull the radio straight out to access rear plugs. Avoid twisting, which bends harness pins. Once the chassis clears the dash, depress each connector latch and unplug antenna and can slash steering control leads. This prevents damage to pins and preserves steering wheel controls. If a bracket binds, recheck bolts. Forced bending can crack the dash. Keep a soft cloth under the unit to protect trim while you work. You finish by organizing and testing. Tape harnesses so pins won't short against metal, then reinstall trim panels loosely to test. Reconnect the negative battery and turn the ignition to accessory. Confirm the unit powers, boots, and speakers function, because early testing saves time. If it does not power, don't panic. Check the radio and vehicle fuse panel for the 10A or 15A radio fuse, verify ignition switch 12V at the harness, and inspect pin continuity. These common faults usually resolve dead power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.